Hey, good morning. This is Jeff Goldstein with themeasuredmove.com. Today is Tuesday. It's 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, October 19th. We're looking at a continuous contract of the E-mini Euro December contract, just about 50 pips away from its measured move target from the 3889s rather. And so as from my video yesterday, we came into this measured move drawn from the 140-156s to our Globex lows at the 3821s. Now, we'll go back to these 3821s in a moment, but I want to just illustrate that we are about 50 or so pips away from our target, which concludes at 137.46. So in anticipation of the negative 23.6% target hit, we'll leave it up, okay? We will leave it up when it hits, and should it go through this target at 37.46, I'll anticipate that we will hit its negative 61.8 at 36.19. So that's 136.19 on the Euro E-mini December contract. This is a pretty big move that we've already had already, so I can anticipate a number of retracements happening on a 15-minute time frame, and so I don't want anyone here selling these lows, especially that we're coming into the New York 9:30 open here at the New York Stock Exchange. There is a large gap fill on the E-mini S&P 500, and so we will have traders pushing to close that gap. However, I don't anticipate that this gap will fill today. We'll call it a professional gap. Let's pull up the gap fill, which would potentially fill at 1180. Now I'm putting it up here because Tuesdays have an 80% probability of a gap fill. Okay, so we really have to pay attention to various intraday leading indicators such as the tick, such as the Nasdaq Bank Index as well, to kind of show us if this move down into these 64 area is the low. Now, just to back up again, the long entry, which we were a part of from, let's say, we hit those over the past 4 days, okay, the 1162 entry, 1163 entry, which was taken from our swing lows at 1145.50 to our most recent highs at 1182.25. The next measured move is 1164. Okay, the target is 1190.91, and we have a bunch of sellers and low ticks at lows, okay, which can fuel a move higher. I know that everyone's very bearish on the Apple news and the potential reversal on the dollar, but the reality is the trend has not changed until we violate the 61.8% line here on the E-mini S&P 500 at 1159.50. We get below those, we'll have some big targets below us. However, the trend has not changed, and we are now 4 points off the most recent lows. I'll come back in the afternoon with an update on both the Euro E-mini as we move into its measured move target, and the S&P as we are strictly range bound here from 1162, 1163 area to the 1182s. This is a wide range, but that's all we have right now. We'll talk to you later on. Be safe, and we'll see you soon.
I see a line.
I just took it.
Yeah, I see a line there.
I took it at